Dear friends, why do we sometimes get frequent watery stools? It's called diarrhea, and while most of the cases are mild, some can be life-threatening. Here's everything you need to know about it. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea means passing loose stools more than 3 times a day. It may last just a day or two, acute, or continue for weeks, chronic. Most cases of diarrhea are mild, but if it continues, it could signal a deeper health problem. Diarrhea causes. Diarrhea can happen due to several reasons. These are as follows. Infections caused by viruses, bacteria or parasites. Food poisoning or contaminated water. Food intolerances like lactose intolerance. Medications such as antibiotics. Digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease or celiac disease. Besides, stress and anxiety can sometimes also trigger it. Diarrhea symptoms. The main symptom of diarrhea is frequent watery stools, but it may also come with stomach cramps and abdominal pain, nausea or vomiting, fever, bloating, dehydration. If diarrhea lasts more than a few days or you see blood in your stool, it's time to see a doctor immediately. Diarrhea diagnosis. Doctors usually diagnose diarrhea by asking your symptoms and medical history. In some cases, they may recommend stool tests to check for infection, blood tests. Besides, they may also recommend colonoscopy or imaging if chronic diarrhea is suspected. Diarrhea treatment. Most cases of diarrhea improve on their own, but here's what helps. Drink plenty of fluids like water, oral rehydration solutions, soups or clear broths to prevent dehydration. Eat a light diet in which bananas, rice, applesauce and toast are commonly recommended. Avoid spicy, oily or dairy heavy foods until you recover fully. Over-the-counter medicines like loperamide may be used, but only if a doctor advises, especially in children. If diarrhea is due to infection or another disease, treatment will target the underlying cause. Diarrhea complications. Most people recover quickly, but complications can occur, especially in young children and the elderly. These are as follows. Severe dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, malnutrition. In rare cases, kidney problems or even death may occur if it is left untreated. Diarrhea prevention. You can reduce your risk of diarrhea by following these steps. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Drink clean filtered or boiled water. Eat fresh food and avoid street food that may be contaminated. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. So friends, diarrhea may seem simple, but it can quickly become dangerous if neglected. So, stay hydrated, maintain hygiene and consult a doctor if symptoms continues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such health videos.